Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Sunday, March 23rd. Welcome back to another episode of Sunday's Stock List. In today's video, I have two stocks for you to put on stock this coming week. And also, I'll tell you the top 5 highest percentage gainers in the stock market last week. Let's delve right in. At number 5, we had SGLY. SGLY spiked 120% on the week to settle the week at $1.68. Stock is down 63% on the 1-year chart. This one's in the freight space and their headquarters out of Long Island, New York. Number 4, we had CRVO. CRVO is up 125% on the week. This one was on Dave's stock list last week.
CRVO is up 197% at $6.44. The stock is down 62% on the 1-year chart. Please put a stock on this one.
CRVO. This one's in the biotech space and their headquarters out of Massachusetts. This one's heading back to $10. CRVO is currently trading at approximately $14.29. Stock is down 44% on the 1-year chart. CRVO. This one's in the biotech space and their headquarters out of Massachusetts. I told you this one is heading back above $10. CRVO currently trading at $14.29. At number 3, XHLD. XHLD is up 212% on the week, currently trading at approximately $1.40. XHLD is down 76% on the 1-year chart. This one's in the broadcasting space and their headquarters out of Pennsylvania. The company announced a 1 million stock buyback program. And there's only one reason why an insider would buy, and it's because the stock is going up. Stock is undervalued and it's going up. Insider could sell for whatever reason. Divorce, they want to buy a new yacht, buy a new mansion. But there's only one reason for an insider to buy. And on that, the stock is rising. Please put a stock on this one for this week, XHLD. I'll give you further details towards the end of the video. At number 2, highest percentage gainers in the stock market last week was RGC. RGC is up 411% on the week, currently trading at $58.63. This one was also on Sunday's stock list last week, currently trading at approximately $12.62. This one is up 125% on the 1-year chart. RGC. This one's in the healthcare space and their headquarters out of Hong Kong. RGC has spikeability. For example, on July 23rd, the stock went from $3.03 all the way to $32.44 on a volume of 1.3 million. Please put a stock in this stock this coming week. RGC, big winner. Stock is up 136% on the 1-year chart. I beg your pardon. This one is up an amazing 1,369% on the 1-year chart. This one's in the drug manufacturer space and their headquarters out of Hong Kong. RGC. And sitting at number 1, highest percentage gainers in the stock market last week was IBO. IBO is up 726% on the 1-week chart, currently trading at approximately $4.96. IBO. Stock is up 65% on the 1-year chart. This one's in the biotech space and their headquarters out of Texas. 3 biotech runners this week. Okay, let's kick the tires. XHLD. This one, please put a stock on this one this week. They were a market cap of 40 million. They have a low float of just 1 million, so this one could gyrate a lot. 94% of the float are held by insiders. This tells me directors and officers are putting their money where their mouth is. They have 4 million in revenues. Their revenue per share, 0.15. This is XHLD. They have 3 million in gross profit. Gross profit, 3 million. They have a total cash of 257k in hand and a total debt of 5 million. They have to work on their debt load here. Their current ratio is sitting way below par. Be careful with this one. Current ratio is sitting precisely at 0.24. The current ratio of 1 is at par, meaning for every dollar in debt, company has $1 in cash. This one's way below par. XHLD. Number two stock I want you to put on stock this week is PHH, this one's a earnings winner. PHH closed up 22% on Friday, currently trading at approximately $13.48. This one's breaking out to all-time highs, PHH. This one's in the consumer defense space, and their headquarters out of China. Please take these numbers with a grain of salt. The Chinese stocks has a propensity for fraud. There's no other way to say it. Please be cautious. This one made 4 consecutive higher highs. That's a sign of strength. Let's get the tires. They were a market cap of 356 million. They have 4 million in the float. 82% of the float are held by insiders. Let me repeat that. 82% of the float are held by insiders. Their profit margin is a positive 20%. This is PHH. Their operating margin is a positive 46%. Their ROA, return on asset, is in the positive. They're up 19% ROA. Their ROE, return on equity, is a positive 38%. ROE and ROA are monies the companies are making on their investments. They have 2 million in revenues. Their revenue per share, 0.09 PHH. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 41% year over year. Let me repeat that. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 41% year over year. They have 2 million in the positive in gross profit. Gross profit, 2 million. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is a positive 816K. They have 479K in net income. Their quarterly earnings growth is up 22%. They have a total cash of 547K and a total debt of 70K. Their current ratio is sitting above par. Current ratio is sitting precisely at 1.87 PHH. Their operating cash flow is in the positive. Their operating cash flow is a positive 960K PHH. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Please go back to your Sunday activities, and I'll see you tomorrow with Money Making Mondays with Dave's Play. Take care of yourselves and be safe. I'll see you tomorrow. 162% Saturday at 6. Please pay attention to the post. Dave's Play. Let's continue.